Before we dive into making aloe vera with rosemary DIY oil, let me first of all explain to you the benefits of aloe vera with rosemary. Number one is hydration and circulation boost. Aloe vera deeply hydrates dry skin or flaky skin, while rosemary improves blood circulation, helping deliver nutrients and oxygen to skin. This will result in plumper, healthier, and more radiant skin. It also serves as anti-aging agent, which means that it is very rich in antioxidants like vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E from aloe vera and rosemary. It helps to reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. It also helps to prevent your skin from stress and oxidation from UV damages. It also calms irritation, inflamed skin. Aloe vera soothes redness, sunburn, like other skin diseases like eczema, rashes, and rosemary has anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial properties that helps reduce acne, itching, and swelling, especially for sensitive or reactive skin. So this oil is powerful for every skin types. It also controls, supports to build cell regeneration and collagen production. It helps to fade stretch mark, blemishes, hyperpigmentation over time. Rosemary is an astringent nature. It tightens the pores and smoothens the skin. It helps to fight bacteria and infection. Aloe vera also helps to keep the skin moisturized without clogging the pores. When you use two of them together, they can reduce acne breakdown, and this oil is also very powerful for hair growth. So to make this oil, the first thing you need to do is to get fresh aloe vera. Fresh aloe vera contains the main medicine here is the gel in the aloe vera, but also you want to prevent your oil from getting rancid. So you must make sure that you dry your aloe vera if you are not using it fresh. So cut them up and leave them on direct sunlight so that it will dry. All the gel will dry completely, again to prevent the oil from getting bad. So after a few days, all you need to do is take about 1 cup of olive oil. Make sure it's organic olive oil. Take about 1 cup of olive oil and put in a warm pan, warm deep pan. If you have a double boiler, use a double boiler. We all know that you are not supposed to overheat olive oil. So after pouring your cup of olive oil inside the warm pan, make sure that you are measuring this properly. So 1 aloe vera equals to 1 cup of olive oil. So when you put your olive oil in the pan, get your dry aloe vera with rosemary. I dried mine direct sunlight for about 3 days, and you want to pour that into the warm oil. Make sure that the oil is not hot. It's going to be warm. Reduce the heat to the lowest and let it cook for about maybe 2 minutes. I think that's what I let it do. 2 minutes. After cooking this for 2 minutes, yes, you can see that it's almost boiling, but you don't want that to be boiling excessively hot. Yes, you want to get the maximum benefit from this oil. So turn off your stove and let it cool down. So I let mine cool down for the entire night. I didn't touch mine. I left it on top of the stove for entire night. So after the night, so the next morning, it's time for me to turn this into a glass jar. Get a airtight jar. You can grab this from a dollar store or look around in your kitchen cupboard and find one of your old jars. Make sure that you wash it, that is completely clean and bacteria free. So I turned the oil into the jar and I made sure that it's closed properly, airtight. So after leaving it in the airtight jar, make sure you leave this direct sunlight by your kitchen window, bathroom window, anywhere that you want to leave it. You can leave it outside if you want, but remember to bring it inside most of the time. So make sure you shake them very often. If you're leaving it by the window, shake, 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 just to make sure that the sunlight is getting to the entire oil. And then you can leave it, do it for 5 days, 6 days, 3 days, as small as you want. And then it is time now to transfer this into the bottle, and your aloe vera oil is ready to be used. Thank you for watching. Remember, subscribe and share the video. Thank you.